Good day everyone, this is our broadcasting topic for today, the power of positivity. Dear listeners, you're turned into Clouds FM, the station that brings light to your day. I'm DJ Clouds, here to remind you that even when life feels stormy, there's always sunshine waiting behind the clouds. Today's topic is something we all need, positivity. Life isn't always we face stress, failures, and moments when we feel like giving up, but positivity helps us rise above it all. It gives us the strength to keep going and the courage to try again.
Go.
Being positive doesn't mean pretending everything's perfect. It means believing that things will get better even when they're not right now. When you smile, you not only left your own spirit, you left others too. Remember, one small act of kindness can change someone's entire day. So here's your Clouds FM challenge. Today, share one positive word, say thank you, you can do it, or simply have a great day. You'll be surprised how powerful positivity can be. This is DJ Clouds from Clouds FM reminding you to be the sunshine even when the sky is gray. Stay bright, stay kind, and keep those good vibes in the air.